Hi, this is Chris from Integrity Roofing. Just here at the Maple Ridge condos in Slinger, Wisconsin. Looking at some of the roofs that we've done over the last few years. Here's one of the roofs that we did. Got a ridge vent at the top. Another roof that we did last year. And then that building we did 3 years ago. They're all desert tan. Dimensional shingles. Ice and water shield 6 feet up on the gutter lines and 3 feet in the valleys. Here were the condos that we did, and also a neighbor was interested, so we did their house in 2007 also. It's a black, onyx black dimensional shingle, white seamless aluminum 5-inch gutters with 3-inch by 4-inch downspouts. Once again, ridge vent across the roof and the house roof and the garage roof.